We started from this quote that we used to hear our shoppers say, it's too time consuming and I don't want to learn a new way of shopping. Beni is a secondhand search engine that helps you find resale alternatives. Brands can resell that same pair of jeans, but if you're a resale marketplace, you only have one of one inventory. Our catalog has over 300 million listings in it. 90% of all of the inventory in the US for apparel and accessories, with a delta of like 1 million listings a day. So what we needed was a vector database, and we were using Milvus, and we had our catalog stored in MongoDB. And so we needed to keep two separate catalogs live and in sync. And that's really tricky for a company that's trying to innovate quickly, right? So we migrated over to MongoDB. The three biggest wins that we get from MongoDB are that we now have a unified vector and catalog data store that is easier to manage through our ETL ingestion pipeline. The second one is we can scale endlessly at a manageable cost because we've sharded our catalog. With MongoDB, we're continually focused on expanding our product catalog. And the last is smarter, more personalized search, because we're able to store our user engagement data alongside of our vector data, alongside of our catalog attributes. We can slice the data however we want. And we can basically show you in real time a product in your size, in your color preferences, etc. There aren't very many vendors out there that can do hybrid search in the way that MongoDB can do hybrid search. Everybody in the world of shopping is trying to solve this problem of personalization. We think we're the best set up to win in this space, and we're excited to be on this journey with MongoDB. So don't hesitate. MongoDB is the best. We love working with them.